Alright, we're going to start learning how to edit a photo. This is with Photoshop. We're going to be using the cloning tool, and I want to learn how to just make it easier. First thing you want to do is make the size a lot bigger so that it's easier to work with. As you can see, I just zoomed into this shot. I'm actually going to make it a little bit smaller because it's a very big shot. This is the cloning stamp right here. If you click it, you're on the cloning tool. By clicking the Option key, you could select where you want to start the clone. You click select and then you release, and wherever you click, that's where it's going to create an invisible line between where you clicked and there, and you're going to be able to start cloning whatever you'd like. Here I'm going to start cloning this flower. I'm going to add another flower right here. As you can see, I'm going over the whole thing. I'm going to make an exact copy of this flower right next to it. You can see I'm slowly going, trying to be careful. Something that could help is by zooming in, like I said. Makes it a lot bigger and a lot easier to do. As you can see, I'm making the same exact flower using the cloning stamp and just going over nice and slow. If you'd like to make it bigger, the stamp, you could go here and select the diameter of it. You could go larger and larger. The larger you go, the easier it is to clone. As you can see, I'm going all the way around. Now it's cloning a lot bigger of an area. As you can see now, when I zoom back out, you can see it almost looks like there's another exactly the same flower next to it. Sometimes you might want to delete something or erase it or take it out. You could also do that by using the cloning stamp. You clone by holding, once again, Option, click, and then you can delete area or clone whatever's behind it. So right here I'm taking this flower out and I'm using whatever's prior or previous to it to use the same colors to cancel out this flower. If you hold the mouse, you could just run it over the flower. Once again, if you go to the brush size, you can make it smaller or larger based off of your own preference.